So today I will make a portable audio amplifier, and you will need some part like this: a mini 15-watt audio amplifier, two pieces of battery module charger, a micro USB charger port, parallel lithium battery holder, two pieces of lithium battery, .5mm audio port, some wire, a LED light with resistor, electric terminal you can combine, and a small box. I got this from data cable. First, you must make some hole right there on the box. I'm already make some hole right here. This is the circuit. First, you must combine the battery holder to the box with screw. Combine like this. And then combine the battery holder wire to the audio amplifier. Red for positive and black for negative. Solder like this.
And connect this wire to 3.5mm jack. Green for right, white for left, and black for ground.
Like this. And this one to the audio amplifier.
This one is same position, same like this. Green for right, black for ground, and white for left. Solder to the audio input. Solder like this.
After that, connect the LED light to audio amplifier just for indicator.
This one here, and this one right here.
Test the LED. On, off, on, off. We must combine this module charger like this.
like this. Input from here, and this one already combined, and output right here. Next, connect this module charger directly to battery power. Connect until like this.
Solder this wire to the terminal.
Like this.
Insert all of this wire before, right here. Add some hot glue. The last solder. Connect this wire to audio output. And set the position like this. Like this. Set the battery. Turn on. A little bit space, but no problem. We can add screw at the corner. Just finish. Try to use bigger than speaker. And you can charge from here. You can see the LED